I'll get you, bitch.
Hey, look at that. What is it?
Boy,
Look, there are runes written along the side.
David.
what does it say?
As we are, we two, we three. As I alone can never be.
A riddle.
Maybe there's a clue around here. Seems like maybe those rings should be turning.
Now this is getting on my nerves. Merge close my application. Start it back up. David.
The rings are turning! Come back down.
Sorry?
Still doesn't look like anything. I think that part's right.
David, please tell me real quick. David. What? Can you FaceTime me real quick? Please. I really need your help. It's a problem on screen. I want to play the game too, but I need your help.
FaceTime me. I'm like in the middle of doing it.
That's it! I see a room!
FaceTime you, bitch.
Boy,
FaceTime David.
what do those runes say?
Oh,
FaceTime call
it says
David.
family. It's not a clue. It's the answer. What I alone can never be. Right?
Use your knife and trace the runes into the sand.
Really? Kinslow.
What?
Something happened!
Take your camera to your game.
It worked!
Because look, you see how my game is, right?
I'm happy we met Brock, but I'm happier we're leaving this place.
It is behind us now.
What's that up there?
that.
Boy, these tracks.
A boar, maybe? Not sure, but I'll find it.
Go. It is
Bronco
important
is a
for a
secret
warrior to
Bronco.
keep his skills sharp.
Here we go!
Alright, let's do this again.
Oh shit, super punch.
Lista! Lista!
One viewer, if you don't mind, can you hit that subscribe button?
I'm fine, it will pass. Stay focused.
You don't look so great! Tell me when!
Phone call on the call.
Keep it up. Boy, I hear your animal ahead.
I knew it was a...
Damn it. There was a chest up there.
Shoot when you're ready. Remember, draw to your chest. Wild boar's hide is thick.
But I hit it, didn't I? I did what you said and it looked like it bounced off. Could the board be magical?
What do you think?
It looked weirder than any board I've ever seen.
Get after it then. Stay alert.
More of those people?
Something else.
Some of the bodies are those weird dead things. There's Draugr here too. They must have been fighting. I'll see what's up ahead. Ah! Another one!
Be ready!
Lista! Lista! Look! It's squeezed under that pillar. I got it. Elbow up, steady hand, relax. Accuracy over speed. Yes!
Do not lose it. Boy? Boy! Where are you?
Hurry, Father! I found it! Please, hurry!
Atreus!
He's slowing down!
me, boy!
Father, over here!
Andreas!
What did you do? I'm sorry.
Andreas!
We didn't know he belonged to anyone.
He doesn't. He's my friend.
The boy was following my command.
Then help fix this. Hold here, please. Hold, I said. He's losing blood. The last of his kind in all the realm, and you shoot him. You needed food?
Target practice.
Target practice.
I'm so sorry.
Keep that pressure on. The blame is mine. I should have kept a closer eye.
Will he die?
I will not let him. You, the arrow cut a tideway inside him. Find both ends and hold them tightly. Start with the left side. Grab it and hold. Now the right side. Hold it tight. Good. Now pull them together. Line them up. So now,
You're a witch.
I can't finish the healing here. My home is just beyond the trees there. You will carry him. He must not die. Good. He seems stable and calm for now. Great thought. This way. That bow's a little big for you, isn't it?
My mother made it for me. Said I'd go into it.
I've never seen you in these woods. She must miss you being away from home.
She's dead. We're taking her ashes to the highest peak in the realms.
Ashes?
It was her last wish.
Boy,
I'm sorry for your loss. We're here.
You live in a tree?
Not in it. Below it. Hemele!
Look!
It's all right.
Is he friendly?
boy.
I promise you, he's safe.
He won't hurt anyone.
Quickly. Place him on the stave there. Keep him still.
You live alone?
It's better this way.
Yeah, my father doesn't like people either.
Boy,
Well, you don't.
Hold him still before he hurts himself. Good. Easy. Rest now. I need 2 more things. Fresh red root grows just behind the house. Can you pull a cluster?
what else?
I know you're a god. Not of this realm, but there's no mistaking it. He doesn't know, does he? About your true nature? Or his own?
That is none of your concern.
The gods of these realms don't take kindly to outsiders, trust me. I know. When they find you, and they will, they'll make things difficult. The boy will want answers.
That will be my problem.
Whatever you're hiding, you cannot protect him forever. But you're right. Doesn't concern me. I also need lamb's cress. Do you mind? It's a white petal flower in my garden. Just a handful.
Fine. Lamb's cress.
Can't think of what that is.
Lamb's cress, good. Have you the red root as well?
The boy is searching.
Perhaps he could use help. Please, the salve is nothing without both ingredients.
You know, I said, it's just thinking about the times Kratos just didn't give a damn or give a fuck about
Can you help?
helping
I can't quite
nobody.
get it.
Where is he?
Would this help?
I dropped it.
When you were chasing the animal.
What's wrong with me? If I lost it, then
You did lose it.
I'll take better care of it from now on.
Exactly what I need.
So he's gonna live?
Yes.
Then we are leaving.
Wait. Not without thanks. You want solitude? This mark will hide you from those who might make your journey difficult. Luina. Himmler. There's a shortcut below the house that leads safely out of these woods. Follow this path down, then head towards daylight.
Pissy pussy die.
Will we see you again?
As much or as little as you like.
Would you
Now
watch
get
my
outta here.
broadcast?
Tomboy.
What?
So would you watch my broadcast?
No.
This underground passage should put you back on your path to the mountain. Just use the boat. Wait, and take this. You can use it to orient yourself and navigate the world. It will always steer you towards your goals.
Hey.
I see a boat. Nightmare! Sister! Let me go! Need help! Stop here! Nightmares. Mom used to tell me about them. Didn't think they were actually real.
Nightmares.
Yeah. They give people nightmares. Or they are nightmares. I don't remember which. I wish I could ask her. Doesn't look like it's working. Over there! Now we'll get to the mountain quick. I just can't believe I'm here. And always. There was a time I thought I'd never leave our woods. Or even my own bedside.
You were not to blame for your sickness.
Oh, I know. I guess I'm just saying. This is great. There's the mountain. Look how close we are.
We flow into seawater.
How do you know?
Do you not smell it?
If that smells the sea, the sea stinks. Look at that. It's Thor.
Thor, god of thunder.
That's right.
David.
I never thought you listened when Mother spoke of the gods.
I seldom
what you playing?
did. Did she speak of one who could feel no pain?
I said, what you playing?
Oh, that sounds like Baldur,
Balder.
an Aesir god, son of
Baseball?
Odin and Frigg.
And Odin is king.
That's right. Why do you ask?
Have you met the witch yet?
I see rooms there. This chest. Can't quite make
Did
it
y'all
out.
like go down like that ride or whatever? Is your camera like lines or no?
Yeah, now that I'm thinking about it,
It reads, sacrifice
It's like
your
yours
arms
now,
to the
right?
center
It's
of
like
the
that.
water.
on the bottom is a little bit like
Awaken
that.
again the cradle of the world.
Actually, no, that's not. It's not. That's my
What?
computer like that. 'Cause I just
Throw
looked
our
on TV,
weapons
it's not
into the
like that.
water? Guess that won't be a problem for you. Are you gonna do it?
I think. This man is a weirdo. How do you know where I'm at every time?
The axe did not return. Hang on, boy!
Okay!
What is this?
It's the world serpent!
Stay calm, boy!
I am! This is great!
It speaks!
Yeah! Mom said he's friendly!
What is it saying?
I don't know! That was amazing! Wait! There's the shipwreck way over there. See that? And there's a statue of Thor. Except I can see a lot more of him now.
The water dropped, and the serpent rose.
Oh, that must be why the beach wasn't there before, see? And there's the mountain. Look it, that building leads from the foot of the mountain to that golden temple.
It was all just under the surface.
Except for the statue. Good thing, huh? There's even a dock. There, next to the flag. We're going to the dock first, right? We'll be the first people to walk on it in who knows how long.
You know of that serpent?
He's one of the giants. He's so big he's wrapped around the whole world and bites his own tail.
An exaggeration.
I don't know. Looked pretty big to me. Is this the way to the mountain?
It would seem.
If it isn't the bearded beaver, it is sexy. Have I got something for you too?
Brock? But how did you...
None of your fucking business. Now get in here. I got something for you. And don't go making pig eyes at my spot. I saw it first.
Okay. What do you think he wants?
To test our patience.
When word gets out about my new shop, folks will finally come out of hiding. They'll be clawing all over each other just to catch a whiff of my wares. You watch. Catch! The pile of rocks there? With that key of Yggdrasil, you can open a magic door to the branches of the World Tree. A shortcut between the realms. If you ever see him out in the world, use it to get back to me quick. But it's only one way. Straight back here and nowhere else. And whatever you do, never, never never, ever throw yourself over the edge of the path, lest you want death.
Yeah, I don't see us wanting that.
What'll it be? So, you sticking around for grains of wisdom?
Right behind you! At the ready! Watch out, Bullet! Look out, Bullet! Ready!
With luck, that tower leads through to the mountain.
I'm ready. What is that? It smells awful.
Poison.
Oh. At the ready. Hey, it's a fragment of a language cipher. We should look for more like this.